Range Hood Installation Guide, CleanAir Series. This range hood supports 2 installation types. No upper cabinet, with upper cabinet. Unboxing and tool preparation. Open the product carton and check all items inside after unboxing. Prepare the following tools before installation. Read the manual carefully and check the installation dimensions. Measurement and preparation. Measure the height between the top of cooktop and the cabinet. Measure the width of the cabinet. Measure the depth of the cabinet. Measure the mounting bracket height, locate the center line, and make clear marks. Use a level to ensure horizontal and vertical alignment. Check the wall to avoid hidden pipes and wires inside. Lay a dust-proof protective film over the construction area. Drilling and installation. Choose the right drill bit based on wall material, then drill holes at the marked spots. Secure the wall brackets tightly with expansion bolts and screws. Place a sealing gasket at the air outlet and install the backdraft damper. Fit the top hanging holes of the range hood onto the hanging supports. The exhaust duct needs to be purchased separately. Remove the dust film. Power on and testing. Place the oil cup into the bracket at the bottom of the filter cover before use. After powering on, adjust the speed according to your cooking needs.